here's how to change font in Premiere Pro. So you can easily change font for your video in Premiere Pro. It's very easy and basic. I'm gonna show you a step-by-step method on how you can do this. Make sure you watch this video till the end. So first of all, go to Premiere Pro. So it's gonna load up. There we have it. So after going there, just go to a project. I'm gonna go for a untitled project. Hold on, let me drag a video clip over here. So I got this. I'm gonna drag it in over here in the sequence. Lower the audio. So once you have your audio, let's just add some font on it. So how do we add font? So you click on this and you got your font. So let me type in something. There we go. So how do we change the text? So we first drag all the text by selecting it, just like that. After that, on the text we see this option. Just click on the arrow and you'll see many options over here. Let's say I want something clean, so I'm just gonna pick up this one. So there we have it. So yeah, I just changed my font. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can change font in Premiere Pro. So I hope I helped you guys out. Peace.